Today, we're diving into 7 simple steps that can unlock your full potential and help you live your best life. Ready to start? Step 1. Trust the universe. Know that the universe is a friendly and loving place, constantly on the lookout how to bless you. But don't just say it. Believe it in your heart. Trust with your heart. Eliminate all fear and doubt. Step 2. Cultivate a positive mindset. The secret of getting what you want from life is to know what you want and believe you can have it. Norman Vincent Peale. Everything begins with the right mindset. Commit to lifelong learning. Whether it's a new skill, a new language, or a new perspective, keep expanding your mind. You can only manifest what you truly believe you are worthy of attracting into your life. Master your thoughts. Step 3. Take care of your health. Your health is your foundation. Move your body, eat well, and stay connected with people who lift you up. A healthy body fuels a happy mind. Self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. Prioritize activities that recharge you, and remember that balance leads to more fulfillment. Step 4. Set clear goals. Be clear in your vision. Be specific as you can with your dreams. Without direction, it's easy to feel lost. Define your goals clearly and write them down. A strong vision keeps you inspired and on track. Where there is no vision, the people perish. Proverbs 29:18, Step 5. Build strong relationships. Life is richer when shared with others. Strengthen the connections that matter and surround yourself with positivity. Good relationships nurture your soul. Step 6. Turn envy into inspiration. Envy is a low vibrational emotion that stems from poverty mindset. When you see someone else having something you desire, you don't believe you can have it. Turn envy into inspiration. Say to yourself, "Universe is showing me this because I am ready now to have it as well." It is of high vibration, and it says that if it is possible for them, then it is possible for me. Thank you, loving universe, for bringing it to my attention. Step 7. Practice generosity. A grateful heart is a magnet for miracles. Unknown. Author, you attract what you feel. Do you feel gratitude or envy? Giving to others brings meaning to your own life. Volunteer, share your knowledge, or simply spread kindness. Generosity has a way of coming back to you. Take these 7 steps and let them become part of your life. Small shifts can lead to big changes, and soon you'll be living a life that truly feels like your own. Start today. Your best life is waiting.